artificial intelligence study notes. Okay, so I will be discussing basic for practicing reading practice. Okay, so let's see artificial intelligence study notes. So just we want to learn what is AI. So artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. This process includes learning, reasoning, and self-corrections. Essentially, AI aims to create system. Okay, AI aims to create system that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Okay, basically, what it is saying ki AI is nothing but it's a set of programs. Okay, it is artificial intelligence. It has no, there is no brain without, it has no original brain. Okay, so AI is the scientists have, or we can say the artificial intelligence is simulation of human intelligence. Means it is the model that is designed right to think like humans. How can it take decisions? Okay, so this is the AI. This processes include learning, reasoning, and self corrections. So process, what are the different process that is learning? It can automatically learn. Reasonings, from learning it will take the learning data set and it will try to reason, make take decisions itself. Reasoning means just taking the thinking. Okay, thinking capabilities will be developed by learning, right? And self correction. So what, how it is able to take the decisions correctly, because thousands of data set is inserted to the brain of AI, that is specially to the computers, or we can say that models. So that's why it is able to take the decisions, okay, independent decisions without the intervention of human. Okay, so let's see, now we came to know how AI is, right? What is AI? Like, and how does AI work? This is the second key. We should know how does it work. AI works by combining large amount of data set with fast iterative processing and intelligence algorithms. So how it's working? Combine large number of data set, because what that computer scientists they have fed the large data set to AI. So what AI is doing, it is learning the data set and it is developing the reasoning capabilities and able to take the independent decisions. Okay, so this is the things how it is working. Second, that data ingest, ingestion. Data ingestions, AI needs massive data sets to identify patterns, because once it is able to, how can it find patterns? So accuracy for, let's say we are having 10 data sets, so accuracy how much? But if it is like 1 lakh data sets, so accuracy will be more. The more data will feed to AI, the more accuracy we will be getting. So that is the data ingestion. AI needs massive data set to identify patterns. Second point, process using machine learning ML. The system trains on this data set. Actually, so the systems it is using machine learning. Machine learning means we are giving set of data to the some computer systems and saying that how just identify the patterns. And once that pattern is matching, it is like it will be save it in memory. And whenever the data set will come, it will try to match that learning, we can say that pattern, it will try to find it, and it is able to find that data set, then it's ready to go, right? So this is how the AI is using. Number three, algorithm step that helps the AI to solve problems and learn from successes or failures. So algorithm is not nothing but a step by step process, right? So it is given a sequence. From the sequence, it will study, it will match with original and check whether how much the percentage of ratio it is getting accuracy, it is able to deliver. That is why it's coming like algorithms, right? Algorithms. So step by step, it will take the time and decide. Okay, so next is coming taking decision. AI take decisions using probabilistic modeling. Instead of simple yes or no, it calculates the likelihood of an outcome. Neural networks mimic the human brain structures, allowing AI to weigh different inputs and decide the best path forward based on its training. So basically, neural network. So how the, what is the new neural network? We know that in our brain, that is the connection, the different type of neuron paths are there, right? So using the technique means that physical technique, it's not, it's just trying to replicate how this human brains works, right? So shortest path, for example, I want to go from point A to B, right? So point A to B. So this is the decision we have to take by AB, AI. So how it will take the decisions? First it will check, rapidly it will check the distance between A on different path. So algorithms will be there to find what is the shortest path between 2 points. So this way AI works. Okay, got my point? Yeah, that's looking good. So coming to next, five, that is six, applications of AI. AI is today our world we can't imagine without AI. That is healthcare diagnosis problem we are using AI. Finance fraud detection. What is the pattern of fraud detection? Fraud detection in this sense, if someone is taken the loan but not paying on time, show how it will be affected in their civil score, right? From there, it will AI will detect that this person is fraudulent. Uh, he is involved in fraudulent activities. Means he is not obeying the rules regulations set by the guidelines. So that is called finance fraud detections. Social media personal feeds. This is taking from social medias we are using. E-commerce product suggestions. Suppose you have seen we are going for Flipkart, right? 4 to 5 we have just click like buttons, then similar recommendation will come. How it is happening? Because AI already noted that what is our what is our choice, which type of product we are liking, whether it is a low budget or high budget or what is. So from there it is studying my behavior, and it is able to, as per my behavior and choices, it is giving me the suggestions. That is the power of e-commerce product suggestions. Education, adaptive learning educations you can find. Adaptive learning means what is having. Suppose there was a time whatever we need, we have to type it in the text board keyboard, right? But now we don't have to bother about this. Just simple, just to speech, right? That is education's robot. And travel route optimization, I already given this example. Suppose the point A to B, we want to find the shortest path between 2 points. That times it is coming, right? So this is route optimizations. Marketing, that is target ads. So suppose some product is there that is which 20 to 30 age group will be able to consume that product. Means how? Because there's a lot of targeted audience. It is just, it will be given to only the targeted audience. Okay, so that is the optimization. Marketing also we are using AI. Next, automotive self-driving car. Yes, it is coming. AI is fully automated. So sensors will automatically detect the road, the signals, and the condition of the road, and it will automatically drive. Okay. Next, security, facial recognition. This is the most powerful tools of AI. Security recognition. How AI is able to recognize our face, right? Because it is not the man who has stored memory. So once it is taking our picture, it is storing it into the its device, and while going for that, it is trying to immediately it is trying to match our face, whether our face is matchable or not. If it is matchable, then access is okay. This is the crucial part of AI, right? So how we are advancing day by day with the help of AI. Advantage of AI: AI reduce human error. Okay, works 24/7 without fatigue, and handles repetitive a task efficiently. It can process data much faster than any human. Yeah, it is machine. It has the capability to do so. There is nothing to uh, amazed about this advantage of AI. Disadvantage of AI: high cost of creations. High cost. It take much cost. Yes, affordable. It is very much less affordable. Potential unemployment risk, because if everyone AI will be there, where the human will be going, right? So there is a unemployment risk is there, and lack of human emotions or ethics in decision makings are significant drawbacks. So some cases we have to check decisions emotional also. Some decisions we have to take, but that is the lack of AI. Conclusion: AI is powerful tool transforming our health. While it offers immense benefit, we must guide its development ethically to ensure it serves human best. So at anyhow, whether we accept it or we reject it, we have to stay with AI, and we are bound to stay with AI, because we need faster education, and the world is changing, technology is changing in a greater pace. So we have to accommodate ourselves with this changing world. That's why we should, and we are bound to obey AI, but make sure that we are ready to change, we have to ready to cope with the change, cope up with the change, otherwise we will be lagging behind. Okay, so this is the overall conclusions I discuss step by step, and I just wanted to give my input also. So how to cope up with AI in the modern situation, what is AI, how AI works, advantage and disadvantage of AI, and what are the real life applications of AI. So in this video, I just went through all these points bit by bit. Okay, so by discussing such topic, what is happening? Like number one is I am like my frequency, my means frequency as well as my tone, voice, and my that is called clarity of voice will automatically come. So I'll just keep on posting such videos. Okay, okay, bye bye.